Good evening, everybody. You're watching the news now. Let's move to today's headline. The Pathankot police on Wednesday recovered 5.75 kg cocaine worth Rs 70 crore in the international market from a Jammu-based smuggler. Acting on a tip of a police party led by SP Prabjot Singh Work set up a checkpost near Madhopur on the Pathankot Jammu National Highway. The cops signaled a black SUV to halt, following which the driver Amit Sudan tried to flee, but in vain. The police found a large packet of cocaine hidden in the cavity of the vehicle. Amit was arrested and an FIR was registered under the NDPS Act at the Sadar police station. The J&K administration on Wednesday rolled out special assistance scheme for COVID mortalities under which scholarship and pensionary support will be provided. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha took to Twitter to announce its launch. The administration will take all necessary steps for their well-being and education, he said. Under this scheme, a cash assistance of 1000 rupees per month shall be provided to the spouse or eldest member of the family. The government will also provide an annual scholarship of 20,000 rupees to school students and 40,000 rupees to college students orphaned by the pandemic. Physical test, which is a part of the recruitment process, was started in Srinagar on Monday for the post of constables in two women battalions. This was the third day of the recruitment process. The tests conducted are being held at RTC ground Hamhama and include the physical endurance test and physical standard test for candidates of Kashmir. It is reported that the tests are being held following COVID-19 safety protocols. Candidates were asked to carry COVID-19 free certificate issued within 48 hours. On the 6th anniversary of Digital India, on Thursday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with beneficiaries of various schemes. From students to farmers, various beneficiaries shared their experiences about how adopting digital methods made their lives easier. The Digital India program was launched on July 1, 2015 by the Prime Minister. Digital India is a flagship program of the Government of India with a vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society. India is marking GST Day on Thursday, that is July 1st, to mark the completion of 4 years since the rollout of the historic tax reform. Speaking on the occasion, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Thursday said that the enhanced revenue collection under the new tax regime should be considered as the new normal. Tax base has almost doubled up from 66.25 lakhs to 1.28 crore in 4 years. More than 88% of those taxpayers are from micro, small, and medium enterprises. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday asked his Council of Ministers to lead by example by strictly following COVID-19 safety rules. He asked the ministers to ensure an atmosphere by their actions where people would to stick to safety measures and do not hesitate to get vaccinated. Underlining that the fight against COVID is not over yet, Prime Minister Modi told the ministers that vaccination should be done on a war footing. He also told that the protocol must be followed seriously because COVID is not over. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul made a presentation during the meeting on India's fight against. Thank you for watching the news now.